guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with Ira, and on today's episode I'm going to show you how to make fish curry, salmon curry to be exact, because the choice of fish I'm taking over here is salmon. This is my mother's recipe. I've learned it from her and I've been cooking salmon like this ever since I started cooking. I love it, and I have a feeling you guys are going to like it too. So let's go over the ingredients so we can get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need some salmon that I have cut into big chunks like this. Like I said earlier, you can use any choice of fish you'd like. You also need some tomatoes and green chilies that I've cut into pieces like so. You also need some green peas. For the spices, I'm using over here turmeric powder, cumin coriander powder, red chili powder, paprika powder, garlic paste, ginger paste, some cumin seed, salt to taste, some water, and some vegetable oil for frying. So over here I have some vegetable oil preheating on medium-high heat, and I'm going to drop in the fish in the oil. And be careful when you do that, because when you're frying fish it's going to splatter. So I'm going to cook this until it develops really nice golden brown color on the outside. It's going to take about 4 minutes on each side. You don't want to overcook it, otherwise the salmon will be very tough. So I'm going to keep an eye on it and cook it until it develops some color, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So this just came out of the fryer, so this is what it's supposed to look like. As you can see, it's perfectly cooked, really tender on the inside, and it has a lovely golden brown crust on the outside. So over here I have another pan, and I have some vegetable oil preheating on about medium to medium-high heat. I'm using the same oil that I use the fish to fry. And to this I'm going to add cumin seed, and when it starts splattering a little bit, I'm going to add in the tomatoes and green chilies. Now I'm going to cook this tomato for about 5 minutes, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to add in all the spices, the garlic and ginger, and a good pinch of salt. And now I'm going to cover this and cook this until the tomatoes are cooked all the way through. And you know it's done when the tomato starts turning more like into a paste and starts releasing oil. And it's really important that you cook the tomatoes until you get to that stage, otherwise the texture of this dish is not going to come out right. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you when it's there. Ready? As you can see, the tomatoes have turned into more like a paste, and also started releasing some oil. That's when you know it's ready. I just wanted to let you know that I did take the lid off occasionally and gave it a good mix because I didn't want tomatoes to burn. Now I'm going to add in the peas and water. The amount of water, it's really up to you. Depends on how thick or how runny you want your gravy to be. So I like about this kind of consistency. And now I'm going to turn the heat to high and put the lid on, and I'm going to cook this for about a minute or so, and then we'll drop in the fish. It's been about a minute, so I'm going to drop in the fish, and I'm going to, on high heat, I'm going to cover this back on, and I'm going to cook this for about a minute or two. You don't want to cook it any further, because remember, the fishes are already cooked. You just want it to soak up all the flavor from the gravy that we just made. So that's what you're trying to do. So I'm going to put the lid back on, keep that heat on high, and then let it soak all that goodness, and it'll be ready to serve. This is ready. As I was telling you earlier, the consistency of this dish is really up to you. I like the gravy to be like this. I personally like to serve it with some steamed white rice. That's what I'm doing over here. I want to plate some over here. This is one of my favorite dish. It's going to be really hot. Mother's recipes are always the best. This is one of those really hearty comfort food that you get happy every single time you eat it. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know how it worked out in the comment section below. All the ingredients and the measurements will be listed in the description box down below for you guys. If you like what you saw today, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching today, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!